Okay, I hope everyone has understood the first experiment, that is a relaxation oscillator. I request all of you to first watch the relaxation oscillator because I am going very slowly in case of relaxation oscillator. So now we will start the second experiment, that is a window comparator. See, always remember there are three experiments in the analog part, that is a relaxation oscillator and window comparator and A-stable multi-vibrator. So these three experiments that you have to do it in the Pspice window. Always remember. Okay, ಎರಡು software ಇರೋದು. Pspice window, Pspice software is used for analog part and Quartus Altera is used for the digital part. So digital part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು VHDL code ಬರೀತೀರಾ, but analog part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು circuit diagram ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು you will be placing the circuit components and you will be using the wires. So ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು implementation ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದೇ ತರ you can give it here by giving 12 volts 5 volts. ನೀವು 5 volts ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 12 volts ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If the resistor value is not perfect, then you may not get the correct answer. So this is just a trial and error method. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ perfect ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ then you can go for the implementation. That is the usage of going for software. Okay, fine. So now again the steps please follow. Go for Windows, then capture light. So now we are doing the window comparator. So in window comparator, if you just look the circuit diagram, there are two op-amps. There are two op-amps and two diodes, and again you will be requiring so many power supplies. So all those things you will be using it. So now we will be understanding the window comparator. It is a very big circuit, but you can place it very easily by just looking the circuit diagram. So you have to be perfect with the circuit diagram. So go for file again, then new, then project. So what is the name of the project? The name of the project I can give it as window comparator, that is WC, and go for OK. Now again go for a create blank project. Okay, create blank project only you have to take it, then OK. Okay, next the schematic window will open here. So there you can place what are all the components that you require. So what are all the components you require? You just look the circuit diagram in the page number 11 of manual. Go for place part. There you can give it as mu A. Okay, mu A741. Okay, press OK and you can place your op-amp in the schematic window wherever you want. Okay, I have placed my two op-amps and I will press escape. So from the cursor the op-amp will go away. Okay, now again, so 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 are to be shorted. If you just look, see, ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ AD ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You have to look the circuit diagram and then you have to do it. Okay, see, if you are thinking it is a difficult, it will be difficult. If you are thinking it is a very simple, first time ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, second time ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, third time obvious ಆಗಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, just follow the steps that whatever I am telling, obviously you will get it. Okay, go for what are all the components is required. Again you require power supplies and also you require diode. Okay, go for diode and there you have to give the name as a D1. Okay, D1N4002. Okay, D1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅದೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so D1N4002, that diode only you have to take it. You cannot take another diodes. Okay, now where the diodes has to be placed? Just next to the output of the op-amp. So after placing the diodes, okay, after placing the diodes, zoom ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, after placing the diodes, again I will go for a place part and I will select VDC. VDC I have placed here. Next, rotate it because for the seventh terminal of the pump you have to give a positive voltage. So therefore I will rotate it and I will keep it here. And again for 4 I have to give negative. Here also for 7 I have to give positive, and for 4 I have to give negative. Okay, and again for the second terminal also you have to give a supply voltage. So rotate it, just observe the circuit diagram, you will understand. And for the third terminal of first op-amp also you have to give positive power supply. So yes, that's all. You require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 power supplies are required. Then again go for a place part. Then go for V sign. Okay, V sign. Just press as V S I V sign. Okay, then place it at the center. Okay, place at the center. Only one V sign is required, and again you require one resistor. So go for place part, press as R, then OK, then rotate it, and you can keep it like this. Okay, then you require ground. I told that ground will not be available from the place part, so ground icon antane separate agide, place the ground. So there among the libraries you have to select what? Source ali matte 0 select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then you will be getting the ground symbol, then press OK. So wherever grounds are required, all there you can place the ground. Okay, I'll just place here one, rotate it and place here one, and here one, rotate it and place here one, and you require here one, here, and at the output one, sorry, below the resistor one. So totally you require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 grounds are required. Okay, after placing like this, then you have to go for using the wires. So W is the shortcut key. Okay, now I'll try to connect all my components placed on the schematic. See, it is not difficult, it is very easy. See, I have made a wrong connection here. See, the connection is agilla. So how to delete it? Just press on that delete option. Then again go for W, wire will come and you can place it properly. Okay, now in place ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this power supply should also be placed to this ground, and from here till here, and from 4 to here, and from here to ground. Then come to the left hand side. So from V sign to ground you have to place it. Okay, zoom out. Okay, so now from 6 of op-amp 1 I have to connect it to the diode. Okay, and from the 6 of second op-amp I have to connect it to the D2, and both has to be shorted, right? Both has to be shorted. Just check it whether the connection is correct or not. Yes. Okay. Now I have to short what? 2 as well as 3. The second terminal of first op-amp and the third terminal of the second op-amp should be shorted. So how to short it? I'll use a wires and I'll short it like this. Okay, and again the second terminal of op-amp 2 should be connected to like this. Sorry, I made a wrong connection. If you just observe there, you will be able to see it. See, that should be deleted. Okay, so now I'll be placing one wire. Okay, you can zoom it and you can connect it, not an issue. See, it looks a bit difficult, but it is very easy. Okay, so one more ground is required here. I'll just again go to the ground symbol, 0 I'll select, source, okay, then rotate it, place it here and connect one more wire here. Okay, So after practicing so many, if you are practicing again and again, it will be very easy. Illandre ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now what I have to do? I have to change the properties, right? I have to go for edit properties. Andre so voltage ಎಲ್ಲ default ಆಗಿ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now I have to go for right click, edit properties. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ 12 volts ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. 12 volts. Here also 12 volts. Okay, and here it is -3. That is nothing but LTP and UTP. If you have to just watch the design videos. Okay, this is -3 volt, and here it is +3 volt. Okay, then V sign. So V sign ಅಂತಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, go for edit properties. What is V off? V off is 0. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್? in the manual only it is there. Okay, V off is 0 and V amp. V amp is what? It is 10 volts. Okay, 10 volt. Then what is the frequency? We are considering as 50 hertz. Okay, 50 Hz. 50 hertz. Is there anything that I have to specify? Resistor is 1K only, and here this is 12. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮರ್ತೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Anything else? That's all right. Check once again. So 2 and 3 are shorted. 3 is connected to -3, and the second terminal of the second op amp, it is connected to the +3. Just zoom it here and you can observe it properly. If there is any changes that you have to do, you can do it now only, otherwise you will be getting an error. Okay, fine. I hope everything is correct. Let us check. Go for save. Okay, go for save. Again, Pspice new simulation window. There you can give any name. Okay, create it. So one of the window will be appearing down, it will be blinking. Just go for it. Then here what you have to select is time domain transient, and again run to time is 100 milli, and step size is 0.01 milli. Okay, then apply. Okay, fine. Now you have to place the markers. Where you will be placing the markers is, you are supposed to place the marker here one, okay, and at the output section, that is here one. So again you can save it. So after saving go for Pspice, then run. So this is the waveforms that you will be getting. Okay, so it means that, so the green color, whatever that is coming in a green color, no, that is the input waveform, the sinusoidal waveform that you are giving. Okay, now whatever that you are getting in a red color, whatever that it is coming in a red color, that is your output. So how to analyze this output is, so what is my LTP and UTP? I have given my LTP and UTP as +3 and -3. So ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ +3 ಇಂದ -3 ವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. See here, you are getting a square wave from +3 till here, more than 3 until less than 3. Till there you will be getting a square wave, and rest all it will be zeros. That is from you will be getting a zero value for greater than -3 and less than 3. Okay, I repeat once again, you will be getting the output as 0 for greater than -3 and less than 3 volts. Okay, so this is called as a window comparator. Okay, you can change the LTP and UTP also, and you can check it out. You will be getting a different waveform, that's all. Okay, so please follow the steps, it will be very easy for you all. So this is the circuit diagram, and this is the simulation for the window comparator. Okay.